Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss law of variable proportion, one of the important concept as per the examination point of view. Every year, this question is based on 6 marks. 6 or 4 marks. Define law of variable proportion. What we call law of variable proportion? As before few before few days, I discussed quantity of x is a function of labor and capital. Labor and capital. But in that equation, I kept capital constant. Law of variable states that with as more and more variable factors are utilized, with fixed factors, k capital is a fixed factor. It is kept constant. It is fixed factor. Labor, it's a variable factor. In previous lecture, I discussed this why we call labor as a variable factor. As its productivity increases when it is utilized, definitely its cycle improves. That is why its wages increases. Yes, salary increases with the passage of time. But capital is being kept constant here. This law shows us with more and more units of variable factor, means labor, as labor is a variable factor, is utilized with some fixed factors. Fixed factor is capital. Capital are fixed factors. Definitely, marginal product of variable factor declines. Why it declines? It declines due to we utilize fixed factors with this. As yes, when we utilize fixed factor, it never increases, but it declines with the passage of time. As I have given already example, machines. When we utilize this with the passage of time, its capability declines, not increases. But when we utilize labor as a variable factor, its capability increases. Its cycle increases with the passage of time, but its capability declines. Its capacity declines when we utilize it continuously. As it is a fixed factor, definitely its value declines with the passage of time. Now I will write down a statement, what we call law of variable proportion. As law of variable proportion states that the law of variable proportion states that as more and more variable factors are combined with fixed factors in order to produce given level of output. By combining fixed factors with variable factors with fixed factor. By combining variable factor with fixed factors, marginal product of variable factor decline. marginal product variable declines. Why it declines? You should keep this thing in mind. Why it declines? It is basically due to the fixed, yes, due to the fixed factor, variable factor, marginal product variable declines. Now I will show it with the help of schedule and diagram, what we call law of variable proportion. Here we will write units of land. Units of land. Land is also considered as fixed factor. 1, 1, 1. Land is considered as fixed factor. That is why I write 1, 1, 1. It is considered as fixed factor. And land is a fixed factor. Units of land. Units of labor. Now, units of labor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I will write total product. Here I will write marginal product, MP, marginal product. Total product will be 2, 5, 9, 12, 14, 15, 15, 14. This is total product. From total product, we can calculate marginal product. As I have told too many times, marginal product will be equal to total n minus total n minus 1. This is marginal product. Nth item minus nth minus 1. And here the marginal product, first will remain 2, as here is no first variable from which we will calculate marginal product. Now we can calculate marginal product. Here is 2, here is 5. What is change in total product? 5, 2, here will be 3. 2 to 3, 2 plus 3 here are comes 5. That is why I write 3. Then 9 minus 5 here will be 4. Then 12 minus 9 here will be 3. Then 14 minus 12 here will be 2. It's change in total product. Marginal product means change in total product. 2. 50 minus here will be 1. 15 minus 15 here will be 0. 14 minus 15 here will be minus 1. This is marginal product. Based on this schedule, we have to draw the diagram. This is y, this is 0, this is x. Here I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 15. As total product last variable is 15, highest variable is 15. That is why I write up to 15. Now I write here variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we have to write up to 8 we can write, as we have only 8 laborers. Now I will draw the graph as per the given schedule. Total product, at first total product is, yes, 2. I will draw here. First is 2. Add 1, I have to draw 2. Then is 5. Add 2, here is 5. Here is 5. Then 9, add 3, here is 9, add 3 is, here is 9. Then 12, add 4, add 4 is 12, add 4, here is 12. Add 5 is 14, add 5 is 14, 14. Then 15, add 6, here is 15. Then 15 again, add 7, here is 15 again. Then 14, add 8, add 8, 14 again. Now I will join. Now I have to draw the marginal product. Add marginal first is 2, here, that will remain here, 2. Then 3, add 2, here is 3, 3. Then 4, add 3, here is 4. Here is 4. Then 3 again, return back, 3. Then 2, add 5, 2. Then 1, add 6, 1. Then 0, here will be 0. Then minus 1. Minus 1. As below x is minus 1. That will be here, below x is. Now I will join. Then it will go below the x-axis. Now what this is? Total product. This is marginal product. Below is marginal product. What this shows us? It shows us, I will it shows us why here is total product is maximum. I will write 3 points here. First one for understanding purpose. As this shows us as total product is increasing. As I will write, as total product is increasing. Total product is increasing. Total product is increasing. Marginal product is also, it shows us marginal product is also increasing. Marginal product is also increasing. In first stage. And first stage. And first stage. This we call first stage. This is first, this is second, this will be third stage. And second stage, I will write in second stage. As we are seeing, total product is maximum. Total product is maximum. Total product is maximum. As marginal product is 0. At that time, marginal, as total product is maximum here, this point, for example, x. At same point here, marginal product is 0. In third, total product starts declining. Declining. Marginal product becomes negative. Marginal product becomes negative. These are the 3 pointers which you have to remember. Definitely this law will be in your examination. Be it 4 or 6 marks, you have twice or thrice you have to remember this. As in first stage, total product is increasing at increasing rate. That is why marginal product is also increasing. This is also increasing. As I will show in this stanza, up to this After third, 2, 3, 4, it is increasing. As total productivity also increasing, 2, 5, 9, it's also increasing. When this starts declining from 3 to 1, this starts declining phase. This so there is more in same stanza, total product 12, 14, 15. When this total product is increasing, but marginal product starts declining. In third, yes, it is here maximum as it is 15. Here is 1, here is 15. In second stage, total product becomes maximum 15. Marginal product becomes 0. As after third stage, this becomes 0. We can easily tell where total product is maximum here. This where total product is maximum, there marginal product becomes 0. Marginal product becomes 0. When total product starts declining, as 15, 14, it starts declining here below. Total product starts declining below. Marginal product becomes 0, minus 1, it becomes negative here, minus 1, it becomes negative. These are the 3 points which you have to remember. Definitely you have to write down this in your examination. I think it is enough. Now here I manage average product. I will show it in next lecture. What's the relation between total product, marginal product, and average product? But this thing you have to remember. As total product is increasing, marginal product is also increasing. When total product is maximum, marginal product is 0. In third stage, when total product declines, marginal product becomes negative. I think it is enough for today. Now you have to wait till I will come with the another lecture. Relationship between total product, average product, and marginal product. Till that time you have to wait and watch. I will be return back very soon. Hope for the best. Take care. Thanks.